got to cut up the Mars bars. Now we're going to cut up the Mars bars. Now can I open it? Can I open it? Whoa. Lot of hard work. This is a lot of hard work for kids. First we had to put up, first we cut up this, and now we need to cut up the slice. Now we need to cut up the butter into here so we can mix it. There we go. Now I need to go to the melt to melt. It's all melted, but we just need to put the rice bubbles in. Hard work for me. It's all chocolatey. Yeah. I'm just doing the chocolate inside the cocoa pot. Inside the rice bubbles. It's a bit hot, so I need to have my oven gloves on. I have to go in the fridge in my fridge for 15 minutes. 15 and then it can go in the oven. Can you open the door, please, sir? Okay. That's so loud. Thank you, sister. Oh, there we go. Don't feel better. Can you get it out? We're going to go in the fridge. It's made out of chocolate and rice bubbles and sugar. First we're just going to lift the bowl up with the hot thing, with the hot chocolate. And then we're going to spread it on here. And then we can to me. Yes. We have to lift this spoon. Now we put it in the fridge for 2 hours.